The Haitian Constitution states that Haiti has two official languages, French and Creole. Despite the fact that Creole is the language spoken and understood by all Haitians, the language of instruction and official documents remains French. Should Haiti have one official language?
We're hanging on to this, and I think it's time that we agree that to properly educate that population, we need to do it in Creole. And once they have mastered all the different steps that they need to, all the different disciplines, then we can start teaching them French as a second language.
Okay.
But the official language should be Creole, so that everybody's included and feel included.
And Winnie?
We do not have a language problem in Haiti. The problem is social, political, and economic. We have two Haiti. We have the cities, we have the rural Haiti, we have a French Haiti, and a Creole, Haitian Creole speaking Haiti. We have the Christian religion, and we have the Voodoo. What we need to address are those issues to become one nation. 100% of Haitians speak Haitian Creole. So it's not a language problem.
But how do you propose to educate that population?
And
I look at this as an educator. We need to be student-centered. We need to take care of the student. And to do so, teaching the students to learn material in French and memorizing them, what are we teaching? Really?
I think
That using that language as a tool or as a weapon will not even become an issue at all if we turn around and say, from now on, the official language is Creole. From now on, our children are going to be taught in Creole. If we have all of that in place, somebody turning around and using French as a tool is going to look ridiculous.
Now, let's
It's not going to be as effective.
let's shift the conversation a little bit on the social issue and political issue, because we all agree on the fact that language is a communication tool, and we all agree that 100% Haitians speak Haitian Creole. So why not, after 1996, it become official that Haiti has two languages? We don't see much more investment on an academy of Creole and on expanding the education system in Creole, so everybody can have the same opportunity to education opportunity.
I'm answering your question. We haven't seen much progress in that because, again, the less than 10%, they are in charge. The less than 10%, they want to keep the status quo. Yes,
Okay.
that's the social issue. That has always been. That population that do not speak French, that less than 10% does not want to see that population succeed or do better or bring them up to their level. There is this barrier that they mean to keep in place. So that's the huge social issue that you talked about. That should be addressed.
and I agree with you.
That should be broken down.
And
These
I
barriers
absolutely-
have to
and
come
absolutely
down.
agree with you. But
And
it's-
you
go ahead.
just let's have Winnie add something.
The country has a serious problem of resources. We all agree on
with
that,
that.
and that's fact. Now, it's a matter of choice and how much we're going to invest in education of the resources we have. So, and this is an imperative because that's a constitutional mandate. Everything now should be available in Haitian Creole. It's not being done because of lack of resources. So this is why I believe using Haitian Creole right away and head on without using the French as a language of instruction, I don't believe that's the way to proceed. Because by the time to have everything available in Haitian Creole for the schools, we lose 2 generations. So we need to invest heavily in education and supporting the Haitian Creole, development of materials, making the official documents available in Haitian Creole, according to the Constitution, that's an official language, and that's the way to go.